guys, so today I'm doing a video with my sister, and today we're gonna be doing the little little switching makeup routines challenge. One big difference between us is that she uses makeup that's tested on animals and I don't. Okay, so for primer she uses the Urban Decay De-Slick primer.
This is the Hangover RX.
That's my bitch. Worm. I have dry skin. And I'm using an oil control primer. I don't like how it feels on me. It's like,
oh, you're not supposed to rub it in.
What? So she doesn't wear foundation. I'm gonna be asking Sister Tank questions because this is gonna take me like a third of the amount of time.
I still haven't even gotten this on my hand.
Now I have to use that tiny ass little brush to blend all this in. Oh my god. I'm using this.
I do.
I'm using this.
That's cheating.
It's not.
I don't use that ever. I've never used it.
Using it.
That's why it's clean.
I'm using it. So I know that one of the questions is, who is older? It me. It me, bitch. I am 18. I will be 19 next month. Isn't that weird?
That's so weird.
My birthday is next month. How old are you?
I'm 16.
And almost a half.
That's true.
Oh. Is this your powder brush?
No.
Is this your powder brush?
No.
What is your powder brush? Wait, yours is in porcelain. Oh yeah, mine's in alabaster.
Yeah.
Yours is number 2, mine's number 1. Oh
Worst
yeah.
is first.
Yeah, worst is first. I'm gonna ask some questions now because I'm
a little
quite ahead. What was the last text you sent each other? I hope it's not about anybody. It is. Oh, it's a picture. I sent you something that said me crying emoji.
Oh yeah.
It's this. I screenshotted this tweet and sent it to her. Is this bitch gonna focus? Okay, I think she's focused. I don't know how to parallel park because I didn't learn it in my driver's ed for whatever reason. They just didn't teach me. So I once tried to parallel park in front of the post office and I don't know how to parallel park. So it went really sad because I don't know how. Yeah. No. No. Not that one.
This?
Yes. Oh, look at my under eyes. They're black.
Did you use? Oh my god, terrifying.
What do you use this one for? What do you use it for?
I don't know. If I want to use it, I use it sometimes as like
Where?
face powder. Don't yell at me.
You put on a lot of blush.
Yeah. I feel like
So
I'm gonna get
enough?
offended by. I honestly don't think it is.
Oh my god.
I feel like you need more like here. Still do it.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Come on. Describe each other in 3 words.
Loud.
Oh.
So loud, large.
Oh my god.
But you can say large to describe me too.
But I don't think you're large. What's something that annoys you about the other one?
Well, I don't know. You don't have a filter of like a sound filter. You don't know when it's okay to be loud.
She does some annoying dance moves, as I said before, and she is always singing. What is something weird that the other one eats?
I don't know. I don't feel like you eat anything weird.
Animals. I don't eat those. Who takes longer to get ready? You.
Me.
Even though
you don't ever do anything to get ready.
What does your sister think about the most? You probably think most about singing songs.
You probably do think most about animals.
Yeah.
Because I feel like many aspects of your life are about animals.
Yep.
Like, you don't eat them, and then you go to the Humane Society, and then you take pictures of them.
Yep. What is a funny memory we have?
That time you almost paralyzed me.
Probably about like 10 years ago.
Yeah.
Mari was, I don't know what she was doing, but we were in this room and I thought it would be really funny to tell her that there was a spider on her ass. There was not a spider on her ass. So she slammed her butt down on the floor to try to kill this spider. And then she had a hurt tailbone for quite a while. And everyone would tell me how I almost made her paralyzed. And then the truth came out. Well, okay, originally the story I would tell was that there was a fuzz. You know how sometimes fuzzes, like they have a bunch of hairs intertwined with them and they look like a spider? So that's the story I was telling, that there was one of those fuzzes on her butt. So I was telling everyone that that is why I told her that, because I really thought there was a spider. The truth is, I did not ever think there was a spider. And I just thought it would be funny. The truth came out just like probably a couple months ago. And then now everybody's mad at me.
You almost paralyzed me.
And it was on purpose, kind of. What is one thing that the other person is really bad at? Not makeup. I can't think of anything. And that's why I hate you.
I can't think of anything.
Oh, shush.
Well, fine. You tell me some things you're bad at.
Baton.
No.
Dancing.
Okay, you are a bad dude.
Singing.
No.
Juggling.
You, okay.
Sticking with things. Not giving up.
Commitment.
Yeah. Staying in school.
That goes with the whole commitment thing.
Yeah. I think that was a pretty extensive list. What's a weird habit of the other person?
Screaming.
Saying that they weren't singing a song when they totally were.
No, okay. You know what yours is? Saying you remember something happening a certain way when you're
I can
wrong.
say the same thing about you. What kind of music do we like? We like Wendy. We like... What are other people we like? We like Lady Gaga, Joanne. We listen to that in our
Lady
Durango.
Gaga and Joanne. They're our two favorite artists. Did you say our Durango? And I
What's that sound?
Experience that.
It like... I don't know. It sounded like something was rattling a lot around in it.
Because it didn't happen when you stopped doing that. I don't hear anything. Remember, there was one time, like 8 years ago, when Mom like grounded us for 15 minutes because we were fighting with each other. Yeah.
I don't remember that. I don't think it happened. Whoa!
Yeah, I know.
It's long. It's not very dark. We're definitely more funny than the average person. Sorry if you're the average
Did I do
person.
that right?
Best hair.
It's you.
Best sense of style.
You.
Biggest appetite.
You.
Oh my god, what is your most memorable argument? I remember this.
The headphone thing? Oh.
Oh, you can tell that. Probably like 6 or something, and you asked me for some nerds. Like I had a little box of nerds, and you asked for some, and I would not share them with you, and Mom got so mad at me. I just was praying that I could go back in time and redo it and give you nerds so that she wouldn't be so mad at me. I was like, please, God.
Everything in your life would change if you would have just given me the nerds.
Yes! Maybe I'd be successful. Maybe people would actually watch my videos. Oh, yeah, you can tell the headphone story now.
All I know is that we were standing in the living room and I was swinging around my headphones and then I hit you in the glasses with them, and I have never seen you so mad in my life.
What did you most fight about as children?
We didn't fight.
Probably
Nerds.
Barbies. Probably Barbies.
Nerds.
Nerds.
You just spray that on the top of your head.
Hmm?
I saw it just fall right here.
Oh, here's a good one.
Oh no. No.
Do you get along with your siblings' friends? it's easy to answer for her because I don't have any friends. I think, okay, I have my ex-roommate.
Shout out to Winty.
Shout out to Wendy. I know she's watching. And then Mari, she has a couple friends that I like. But then
shout out to Martha.
Yeah. But all the other ones have just always done her dirty, and I don't like that. True. See? She even knows. I know you guys are watching. she knows.
Not watching. I'll put this on my Snapchat stories, then they'll watch it. Cause they'll be like, oh my god.
Knows that you've done her dirty, and you do it over and over again. Even the people I thought.
They know I know.
Even the people I thought would not do you dirty.
I know.
Has done her dirty.
I was shocked too.
Most humble, probably makes them old like an owl.
Yeah. I screwed up!
His blood!
What did you read that made you think of that?
You said, I screwed up! If your sister was a dog, what breed would they be? Probably like a pug.
Aww.
I could see you as a pug.
That's so nice.
Because you're short and small and brown. Like brown hair is what I mean. Which of the game you sibling love? Yeah. This is a question that you can't put in a video. Which of your siblings' friends you hate the most? Which phones do you and your sibling have?
8+.
And 7.
8.
Who loves to play all the time?
You.
I love to play.
How long do I have to let this dry? Hoo-wee! 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 For me?
Yeah, why are you putting on more blush?
Because I wanted more.
So, the final step is lips.
I'm really crying.
Stop. I'm using the NYX Butter Lipstick in the shade Pops.
And this is the Jordana Sweet Cream Matte Liquid Lip Color in Creme Brulee.
Creme Brulee! Creme Brulee! Creme Brulee! Creme Brulee!
Holy!
Creme Brulee! Creme Brulee! We both took French.
Do I need to?
I feel like I'm like not wearing makeup.
This is the most makeup I've ever worn in my life.
Okay, so that is the finished looks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe and let me know if you want to see any more videos with her. And yeah, like if you think our looks came out good, and also like if you think they came out bad.